Okay, so we're gonna make some fun Christmas or holiday snacks or treats. So I'm gonna make Christmas tree. We're gonna go ahead, get your regular biscuit, dough. And then I cut up some cheese, whatever cheese you like. I had some mozzarella sticks that I just cut them up. And then I'm gonna make them little balls. And then you're gonna put them like this. So it looks like Christmas tree. And then just cut up your dough, kind of make it flat so your cheese fits in there. And then you're gonna make a little ball like that. And then you keep going until it's shaped like Christmas tree. Okay, so now I melted a little butter and I'm gonna brush them with some butter. And then I already warmed them the oven to 350. And we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. At the same time that you put your biscuits, however long you put your biscuits, depending on the temperature of your oven. But for me, it works about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so once your bites are done, you could go ahead and shape them to Christmas tree if you like. I started with Christmas tree, but then I changed my mind. So here they are. They have cheese in the middle, melted cheese, which is so good. Let's try one. Let's see, how does it look? Look at that. I put a little pizza sauce in here because I like it with pizza sauce, but you could put whatever sauce you like. But voila, that's how it looks. So good, so perfect.